Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a Kryptonite mini D-lock, and it says on here that it's an EV disc lock. I assume that means electric vehicle disc lock for your electric scooters or maybe your electric bikes or something like that. Why this has been marketed to the electric vehicle market, I'm not entirely sure, but it's just a standard sort of Kryptonite mini D-lock that you could use to lock up pretty much anything, I guess. Nice big thick shackle, at least underneath this shroud, somewhere around 12 to 14 millimeters of steel, which is really nice. But it does have one of these tubular lock cores, but it, I guess to its advantage, or to its credit should I say, it has to be turned 180 degrees before the shackle releases. And this is quite a nice feature, I guess. Might annoy some, but it means you can't lose the D section, or is it a U section, or an N section, or a C section? I don't know. The shackle of the lock, I can't lose the shackle of the lock because it's held in at this point, so it does sort of hinge and rotate, which I think is actually quite good because you don't want to like leave your shackle somewhere and just have the lock. So I think we will have a go at picking this. I might pick it one position and then I'll fast forward the video until we get the open, because it's basically the same thing. Tension, find the binding pins, click, 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 turn to position, keep going. So let me throw this in a vise and back in a second. So we are in the vise. Here is one of the keys. I think this would have had a battery in and gave a little light or something. A little press button there. And this works very smoothly. To tension it, I've got a choice of turning tools here from different brands. Nobody's sponsoring this video. I can tension using the goat wrench from the bottom like that works, but I have found out of all the tubular lock picks I have, this Covert Instruments one, again, just to be clear, not a sponsor, just fits in a bit more snugly, so I'm going to use that one. Worth having a few brands. They're all a little tiny bit different, and depending on the tubular lock, you'll get a better fit on some of them. So that's a big tip, is, you know, don't just stick to one brand sometimes. The other thing is I have some tubular lock compressioning tools, but none of them fit this. I do know, however, that the Peterson one would fit this, but yeah, it's I don't actually own one. It's a professional tool and it's very expensive. So nothing on pin 1. Pressing down with under tension with this broken pick. 2 gave me a little click. 3 little click. Nothing on 4. 5, 6. There, gave me a little click. Go along to pin 1. Can't feel anything. Pin 2 now. Nothing. 3. Nothing. 4. Nothing. 5. Little click. The plug or core, should I say, moved a little further. And so I think I just need to find a pin which isn't fully set and give it a little bit of a push. What you find is sometimes the tops of these pins are a little bit that 7 there, and we've got one position. Right, and now we've done that, we need to keep going round and get the other position. So I might speed this bit up. I want to try and get the open, but you don't want to spend your entire life watching a man just go around lots of different pins in turns, giving a little bit of a press. That would be a bit boring, I imagine. So hopefully I'll speed this up and I'll see you in a minute. That's another position, so just now need to try and get this tension up for the last position. And I think we got the open. There you go. So yeah, thanks for bearing with that, but it's not hard to pick. It's just finding the right tool and having patience. So certainly if you're thinking about using this for nefarious activities, you'd be there for quite some time. So yeah, don't do that. This is not a channel that supports any criminal activities whatsoever. But yeah, and if anything, just proves how, well, lockpicking is fun. It can take a lot of time to do, and sometimes even a lot of skill, and can certainly be really slow. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you know anything about Kryptonite electric vehicle disc locks, let me know in the comments. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and want to see more content like this, then hit that like, hit the subscribe, even that notification bell, all really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.